Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be me showing you guys how I did my box braids. This isn't going to be too much of a tutorial. I'm still a beginner myself, but please keep on watching to see how I got this style. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you what I'm starting with. This is the xpression's 50-inch pre-stretch braiding hair. This is in light 613. This is in 27. This is in 30. And this is the Janet collection. And this is in the color 4, and these are the xpression packages. These are what they look like. So 27, L613, and 30. One thing I'll say about this is a little bit more dulled down than the regular 613 color, and then this is giving me a lot of like ashy blonde, even though it's supposed to be like a lighter brown. So yeah, I'm still gonna work with it, but if you guys don't like that, then I would suggest getting something else. But I'm just starting off with these 4 and then 3. So like this comes in 2, like this one had 2 in it. So basically I'm gonna be using 7 packs, and I think that's gonna be enough. Like last time I used 8, but I was kind of pushing it. So yeah, I will keep you guys posted. Alright guys, so this is going to be me kind of trying to explain myself. So right now I'm using the touchdown edge control, and I believe this is in the vitamin set. And all I'm doing is just taking it and putting it on my hair just to make it as smooth as possible so it don't poke out of the braid. And I'm doing the 3-strand method. And all I'm doing is just wrapping the braiding hair around my hair and then just basically starting to braid. I'll show you guys this again in a slower motion, and then after a while I'll use a piece of the braiding hair from one of the other strands and I'll combine it with my hair just so it's 3 strands of braiding hair instead of 2 strands in just one piece of my hair, my real hair. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm not really that great at the gripping method yet, so that's why I am just doing the 3-strand one, and I think it's very beginner friendly. So yeah, here I am again doing it the second time, and I'm doing my last braid, and this is where I'm going to be slowing it down to show you guys what's really like going on. So again, I am just taking a piece of the braided hair and I'm wrapping it around the root of my real hair, and I'm starting to braid. And then after me doing the braiding motion a couple times, I'm going to take the piece of my hair and I'm going to combine it with a piece of the braiding hair from one of the other strands so I can braid that all the way down to the bottom way easier. And then I'm gonna make sure that I braid it all the way down to the bottom. I didn't even know my part was crooked. Please ignore it, but yeah, you guys get the point. So I chose to dip my hair, and all I did was boil some water for like 5 minutes, and I braided all of it, and I just started dipping it into the water because I like the curly look, but I don't like adding those curly pieces, those synthetic curly pieces. Like I don't like those, so I just used what I had, and I braided it and dipped it in the water, and I was using some of the hot water on my roots to get some of that too. But yeah, here I am unbraiding all of it after the dipping process and drying it off a little bit, and I will show you guys the final look in the next clip. Alright guys, this is the final result. I used all of the hair that I showed you guys, and it took around 7 hours, maybe 6.5, but I did like take a couple breaks and take a nap. But yeah, I finished. This is what it looks like. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know it's not the best tutorial ever, but I'm still learning, and as I get better I'll be able to make more. Thank you guys so much for watching.